Welcome to another video, guys. It is great to have you back. And my name is Dave Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And I honestly bring out a lot of content on this channel. So if you want to get to know and see how consistency is the actual key to everything, and literally I want to say in this video, forget about the shiny balls that you see, forget about all the offers that you're going to see online. Think about one thing right now, okay? If what I want you to take back from this video, if it's not the strategy and the method that I'm teaching you, I want you to figure out this. Consistency is king. When I say that, I mean it, and I really want you to understand. Consistency is like slowly is a compounding effect, as I say. Okay, it compounds and grows, whether it's energy levels in consistency, whether it's financially being consistent, whether it's mentally being consistent, spiritually being consistent. You're creating and compounding it in order for you to generate a healthy and awesome lifestyle of your dreams that you wish. So consistency is king. And as I say, as you can see on this landing page that I have, it's myself. I love to say this and I give it the reality as it is. If anybody goes to my website, that is Pro Systems website, it's just basically tipswithdave.com, okay? You're going to find this saying right here: there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. So are you ready to take that action, and are you ready to go in full? Okay, as simple as that. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Look at, I mean, just I know I may be going off on a different rant at the moment in the beginning of this video, but I really want to get the message out to you guys. Doesn't matter what you're doing, consistency is so important. Whether it's free marketing, whether it's paid marketing, whether it is just learning an instrument, consistency. You become better at it, right? You become better at it. You compound it. So stop joining different opportunities, okay? If you're already an opportunity, use this strategy that I'm talking about, use these resources that I'm talking about to make it consistent, okay? Otherwise, take away from this video, consistency is king. Let's get into it, guys. As I said, today is a day that I always talk about traffic, and I really want to get you guys to understand the method or the way that the Pro system works when it comes to traffic. There are two main methods that we generate traffic to the Pro system. And if you're interested in the Pro system, guys, the link is in the description. It's my very own system that I've built, and I have been just hammering it on and on, but you will see it consistently. I'm not going to be changing anything, considering that the offers that are there are legitimate long-term offers, and I'm happy to promote them. If I do need to change everything, the structure of the Pro system will still remain the same. Okay, will still remain the same. The strategy and the method is what I want you to grasp and learn from this video, rather than anything else. So this is a traffic generation video, okay? And I'm literally going to show you two methods that you can do it, okay? The first one is utilizing this part of, now this is a part of the Pro system, okay? I break it down for you. And if you notice in my videos, I keep talking about different parts of the Pro system itself, okay? So one part is Future Ad Pro. Now I explained my plan in this video right here. I hope, yeah. So the plan that I have in this video right here is to teach you how to present your offer using a marketing system to many people day in and day out, no matter what you're doing. If you're on the beaches of the world, if you're at home on the couch like I am right now, or doing any kind of thing, it's still marketing, and you're doing your presentation is going out to the masses, okay? How do I generate consistent traffic? Everywhere in my funnel, you'll see consistency, guys. Cannot hammer that enough, okay? How do I do that? I leverage Future Ad Pro in this example. I leverage Future Ad Pro to, firstly, because Future Ad Pro is an advertising platform, and it also is a revenue sharing platform. So it allows me to do two things. It allows me to fund my other traffic sources, and at the same time it allows me to send views through Future Ad Pro itself. because every ad pack that you purchase gives you 800 views. So one is a less, let's say, quality traffic, but at least hammering traffic every single day through Future Ad Pro. Okay, and then as you scroll down, you can see here, these are my traffic sources. If you click on it, you'll go to this page right here, where you'll get Udemy as one of the traffic sources, MLM leads is the other traffic source, and traffic from me is the other traffic source. Now, how do you go about doing it, right? So in Future Ad Pro, once you reach a certain level and you're withdrawing a consistent amount every month and sending a consistent amount of traffic, you start to earn, or as I am doing right now, okay, I'm taking out around $200 per month from Future Ad Pro, and I'm purchasing week after week after week. So that's $50 a week basically from any of these traffic sources. Okay, I can purchase week after week from Udemy so that there's a continuous flow of traffic every single week, rather than and literally guys, do this every week. Okay, reach the budget that you want, take it out at the end of the week, go to the traffic sources and buy the traffic sources and send them to either this landing page or other landing pages that I have. Okay, or if you create a landing page, do it. Now, this strategy can be used for any business. Okay, the basic strategy is this. I'm gonna actually stop and share my screen with you guys. So just give me a second. Stop share, and I'm gonna share. I'm gonna get a whiteboard out for you guys. Hopefully you can see it. And now I want you to understand this. Okay, you have a product or service. Okay, product or service. You need people. You need people to see this. If people are not seeing this, then nothing's gonna happen, right? So people come and see this. You make a sale. Okay, you make a sale. This is what you do. You make a sale. A portion of this, okay, what I basically do is 50% of this sale goes in my pocket. Happy David. Okay, it's a very strange smile, but Happy David. There we go. And the other 50% goes to traffic. You may laugh at me and say, David, what is wrong with you? But literally, this is what happens, okay? And what this does is here, hopefully this makes sense, comes back here to get more traffic. So this is a formula that you can follow in any way. Now, this is a traffic formula, guys, okay? This is a traffic formula. Whether it's an offline business, you can do the same, okay? You make a sale, you have a portion, you put it aside for an advertising budget, you put it aside for an advertising budget, you put it aside for an advertising budget. Basically, you need to have an advertising budget in order for you to continuously generate new people to see your ads and everything. Then it's up to you, because paid advertising is so powerful. It's up to you how much you would like every single month, and you can limit it to that. If you want 1,000 people every month, if you want 10,000 people every month or more, you can limit it upon your expenditure and everything else, and you can obviously do this in this way. So this formula that I'm giving you right now in this video can be used in any business, honestly. Okay, the actual full formula that I have is, you have a product or service, okay, you have a marketing system because that presents it, you have traffic, you have traffic, and you have support. This is the formula, equals money. Okay, this is the formula that you actually follow for the whole funnel and whole system that I have built. But as I mentioned to you, the main section we're looking today is this and this. Okay, when you have a product, you need to make a sale in order for you to generate more traffic. The support is up to you, okay, to find the right people to support you, or connect with like-minded individuals like myself, and we will give you the support. Like people who join my system, I definitely support them. And a marketing system for me is a must because I that way automate this whole process. Okay, instead of me being there physically to have to sell this and make 50%, take 50% and actually get it to the this landing page, for example. Okay, so hopefully you guys got value from this video, and I didn't speak too much. As I said, with regards to the programs in the pro system, you build up your future ad pro to around 50 ad packs is what I did. Okay, which I suggest you do the same to at least 50 ad packs where you're earning around $25 per day. Basically, wait for you to get $50 per week, withdraw those $50 per week, send traffic from there. Done. Week after week after week. This has to be done every single week for you to see results. Okay, every single week for you to see results. I just want to show you, for example, okay, live. I want to show you that this is how I follow it. Okay, I'm going to log into my Udemy account so you can actually see how I plan my my traffic expenditure and everything. Okay, just give me a second. Enter. There we go. So I want to show you guys right here. I'm going to go to my solos, okay, which is the solo ads, and I want to show you June. Every single week in June, you can see there's traffic being sent. I already have for July already set aside traffic. Okay, this is my minimum amount that I send. Minimum amount. Now, if I have more funds and I make sales, I will add more traffic to continue to keep it flowing. So I will add more and add more and add more. But this is the minimum budget that I have, and I expend it every single month, come what may. I need to get that traffic done. Okay, so it's very important for me to do this. That's it for me, guys. It's just like I said, the traffic sources. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description to the pro system, which is going to take you to this page. Just put your email address in if you're interested, and we will go through the whole process with you. Reach out to me if you have any kind of questions, or just fill them in the comment section below. And really feel free to subscribe if you want to know more about exactly what I'm doing, how I can help you personally, or anybody else who's sharing this video can help you in building an online business. Okay, I'm going to see you on the next one. Keep strong, keep consistent, and don't forget, pave the way for your dreams to come true.